I'm Dominique and welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the Hillsborough River State Park. I picked up some breakfast and I'm gonna eat before I check out the trail. Ooh, I got a catfish breakfast with scrambled eggs, a biscuit, sweet tea. There's the biscuit. Grits. And catfish. Also got some mustard for the catfish. That catfish, it was good. This is actually the first time I've been to this park. I drove all the way to the end to kind of see the different stops, and the one at the very end is for kayaking and canoe launch. So right here, this pavilion, everyone can send out their canoes, and there's the river right here. Oh, this pavilion is called Gator Pavilion. Alright, I do gotta try a little bit of fish and the tartar sauce. That looks like this might be like a Cajun, maybe, and a little in the mustard. Just a little taste. That's a good tartar. The mustard is just too classic for me. This morning, I was laying in bed thinking about what I was gonna do today. Honestly, I wasn't sure, but I looked at the map. I have a whole bunch of pins I've dropped all over Florida of things that I want to do or food places that I want to eat at, and the Hillsborough River State Park has been on the list. So I figure, why not go today? If you're in a small vehicle, I think if you have less than, don't quote me on this, less than 6 people in the car, then it's $4 to get in, and it goes up from there. Our catfish was really good. And the river is right here. I know I can't be the only one that does this, I will only drink my drink before my meal or after my meal, maybe a sip throughout the meal, but I don't usually drink until after. Okay, I just threw out my garbage over there. Let's go down to this canoe drop. Okay, so I followed the loop all the way through around, and now I'm at parking lot number 2. Gonna check out the rapids and the nature trail. Let's go. Into the thick of it, into the thick of it, into the thick of it. Okay. Okay, y'all, just so we know what poison ivy looks like. Maybe it's a little bench area. Hi, I'm Dominique, and I'm going to be your adventure guide today. We are here at the Hillsborough River State Park on the nature trail. Let's keep going. I think we're getting close to the river. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful 81 degrees today. Okay, we shall continue down the trail. Watch out for gators. I see one. Just chilling. I'll have to keep an eye out for some gators. Do you see that leaf that was moving over there? Hi.
Afternoon.
I can perfectly see that fish. I've been to a few Florida parks and I love the ones that have these wooden walkway, bridge pathway trails. It's just so calming and relaxing to just walk through nature and observe. Trails also have different signs with different plants or different animals or things like that about nature, and you can learn some information while you're on these walks as well. We have another diverging trail. see a bridge. Just when I was looking for a sign or a landmark to tell me where I was, here's my sign. Okay, now I see on the map. So here is where I am, and I believe I started this point. Looks like there's more trail that way. Thank you for coming along with me on today's adventure. Maybe you learned something new. If you liked anything in this video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. And you'll catch me next time on my next adventure.